Former track superstar scaling new heights. 76 tower built by Bolt. A true immortal.
He's immortal now.
We're just building the brand.
Give it to your rod like chicken in a Kentucky. On 5 till no more will lead ya. Catch me if you can, your name the boat and not the speed.
Usain Bolt with plenty to celebrate. A brand new building and a new rhythm. Cartel, Massacre, Chris and Mungo riding immortal.
Hold your mouth, don't make it get slippery. Place dark and gritty, nothing boy and no pretty.
Jerry Garden, Jackson, Nabrook.
Post-retirement Bolt with time and cash to spare. 76 Tower just one of several real estate and other investments being pursued by the record-breaking Olympian. Recast now as a globe-trotting businessman and full-time party animal.
I'm excited to see it. I'm excited to have done this.
And why not?
Fully piggy bang, money you fi making at the camp. Fully piggy bang, money.
Only 33 and already a world-renowned sports icon. Legacy assured, but young enough to take the long view. Hard to imagine the gangly youngster from Sherwood Content with even an inkling of what life had in store for him.
I just want people to know that we try to do big things and we're from the country and we work hard. You understand? Let everybody know that, listen, anything is possible. You know, just put your mind to it and work. You're not just trucks, now we're in business. So, you know, anything you want, just put your mind to it and work for it.
US, pound, US. Want to start the paper from the old to the newest.
Bolt's building budgeted at around 8 million US and already leased to a BPO entity out of the United States. When you see that this building is literally in concrete form right now and you see your classic pose branded on this building, what's the feeling?
I never knew that I would be this big as a personal athlete and then to transition from this now and making these type of moves. For me, it's like a dream come true. Every time I drive past, I just smile and say, you know what, give thanks and well done. I'm happy to show it off because as I said, I'm very proud of what I've accomplished throughout the years and this is just another accomplishment and we're working on more.
And for Christmas, Bolt treating himself to a dancehall instrumental.
I just heard the rhythm and it jumped out at me. We're just going through some rhythms and I heard this one and I said, you know what? This is the rhythm I want. That was already made. I'm very happy that I picked that one.
And no, he's not saying who actually made it, only that it's his and immortal.
I grew up on music through the years with the Bounty Killer and the Beanie Man and everybody. So when you hear it, you just know. I was like, yo, this is rhythm first. This feels like dancehall to me, especially in the studio with that loud, big sound. Yes, I was like, yeah, man, this is it. As I said, I grew up in the 90s, so you understand, and the music was different. So for me, that's the energy I'm going for. I might just want to do different things and try to bring back the music back to where it was with the 90s.
All 5 till no more will lead ya. Catch me if you can, your name the boat and not the speed. Them a pamphlet and want to test the great encyclopedia.
After this rhythm, I think people kind of take me more seriously because this is a more hardcore dancehall rhythm.
Bolt's first beat made earlier this year to promote a branded bubbly. He remembers
getting a call from TVJ saying, listen, the next time you do a rhythm, you have a whole song put on at the boss. I will know from day one, Agazi says so. We're gonna make it happen, mom. It's alright.
Give it to your brad like poor like Beijing, straight like daring, air like daring, face time dating, daylight.
So Cartel on this one, twice. Warmed over Cartel, of course.
Gaza Boss are the first person who actually send the rhythm to make it work. And then, you know, Chris and my friend, you understand, Munga was on the last one, so we make it happen. You understand, Massacre wanted to be a part of it, so hooking up the marker, everybody, so it worked out and the vibe and the energy was great.
Any thoughts about the appeal?
Yeah, I think everybody's excited about that. We would love to see him out, you understand, making music, making current music. As they say, the dancehall scene needs him, for him to be out and doing good music, definitely.
Riddim's real estate and Cartel apart, for someone who says he's not a big Christmas shopper and probably hard to shop for, Bolt looking forward to his annual hometown Christmas treat in Sherwood Content. Sure, the kids there are too.
Charity is always big. Also to try to motivate the youngsters. That's why one of the reasons we put the brand and the building, because I came from the country, from nothing, and I worked hard throughout my life to get where I'm at. I always tell kids, stay positive, work hard, because the road is not going to be easy, but the possibilities are endless. So just push on and work hard.
Bolt taking to social media later in the week after another track personality had given an interview to an Indian newspaper, citing Bolt several times. Bolt's response is a source of amusement to many on Instagram.
Things them ready. Violate the G, make sure we're ready. Cause the thing them steady.